Now let's talk a bit about how SQL Server evolved over the years. The first release of SQL Server was SQL Server 1.0 that was released back in 1989. Then, every few years, a new release of SQL Server was released. So, in 1991, we had SQL Server 1.1, SQL Server 4.2 in 1993, SQL Server 6.0 in 1995, SQL Server 6.5 in 1996. In 1998, we had SQL Server 7.0. Then in 2000, we had SQL Server 2000. 2005 had SQL Server 2005. In 2008, we had SQL Server 2008. And in 2010, we had the first Azure SQL Database release. Now, in 2010, we had SQL Server 2008 R2 that introduced new business intelligence capabilities in SQL Server. In 2012, we had SQL Server 2012 that introduced always-on availability groups that allows to group databases together and being able to fail over groups of databases between replicas and essentially between different sites. In SQL Server 2014, in-memory OLTP was introduced, which is the powerful in-memory optimization engine built in SQL Server that allows to load and process huge amounts of data very fast and efficiently. In SQL Server 2016, many security and compliance features have been introduced. For example, row-level security that allows to show only specific rows of data to specific SQL Server logins. R services, which later on was renamed to machine learning services, that incorporates the power of the R language in SQL Server. And this allows to run complex data analysis and produce insights for your business. And Polybase. In SQL Server 2017, support for Linux and Docker has been included. So from this version of SQL Server and onwards, you can run SQL Server besides from Windows. You can also run it on Linux and on Docker containers. Machine learning services that allows to run R and Python scripts against your data and transform raw data into meaningful insights and knowledge. And now we have SQL Server 2019, which introduces SQL Server Big Data Clusters, enhanced Polybase, enhanced high availability and security features. And there are also the cloud-based offerings such as Azure SQL Database version 12, Azure SQL Data Warehouse, and Azure SQL Server VMs. Now, in the next lecture, we're going to download and install SQL Server 2019, currently in CTP 2.2.